What if you could create something one time and have it make money for you over and over again? That's exactly what AI digital products allow you to do. Most people think passive income requires a big audience money upfront or complicated systems, but with digital products, it's much simpler. You create it once, and it can sell forever. Start with something simple. Examples: planners, checklists, trackers, short guides. You don't need anything complex. Simple products sell. Now you use AI to build it. You can generate ideas, write content, structure the product. For example, create a daily productivity planner, and you instantly have a starting point. Take that content and make it look good. Use simple tools to format it, clean it up, make it easy to use. This becomes your finished product. Now you list it on Etsy, Gumroad. Once it's live, people can find it, purchase it, download it instantly. You're not trading time for money. You're creating an asset. One product can sell once, 10 times, hundreds of times. Most people overcomplicate the product, never publish, or don't stay consistent. Simple plus published beats perfect. If you want a list of digital product ideas you can create with AI, I put them into a free guide. It's linked in the description.